In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download DocuSign app on Android. If you've ever needed to sign a document on the go, DocuSign makes it quick and secure right from your phone. I'll walk you through getting the official app and share a few important tips to keep everything safe and simple. The easiest way to get DocuSign is through the Google Play Store. Start by opening the Play Store on your Android device. Once it's open, tap the search bar at the top and type DocuSign. In the results, look for the official listing called DocuSign Upload and Sign Docs from the developer DocuSign. You might see ads or similar sounding apps, so double-check that the developer name clearly says DocuSign. When you found the right one, tap the app to open its page, then press Install. The download time can vary depending on your connection, so give it a moment. Once the Install button changes to Open, you're all set to launch it. After the app installs, tap Open. On the welcome screen, you can sign in if you already have an account or create a free account if you're new. Creating an account is straightforward and helps you keep your documents organized and accessible across devices. Once you're in, you can start using the core features right away. You'll be able to sign documents directly on your phone, send documents to others for their signatures, upload PDFs and other supported files, and track agreements so you know what's signed and what's still pending. The interface is designed to guide you through each action, so even if it's your first time, it feels intuitive. A few quick but important tips as you do this. Always download DocuSign from the official Google Play Store. This ensures you're getting the authentic, up-to-date version that's been vetted for security. Make sure the developer listed is DocuSign. This is the best way to avoid lookalike apps. And steer clear of APK downloads from random websites. While they may seem convenient, they can expose your device and your documents to unnecessary risks. That's it. Simple, safe, and ready to use. By installing DocuSign from the Play Store and signing in or creating a free account, you can sign, send, upload, and track important documents anytime, anywhere. If you follow these steps and tips, you'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching and enjoy the convenience of handling your paperwork right from your Android phone.